You are not the first. 7 civilizations existed on this planet before you. 7 times intelligence rose from the ocean, from the mud, from the dark. The first were reptiles. They built cities underwater. Their architecture was alive. It grew like coral, but from stone and thought. They existed for 400,000 years. The second were insects, a collective mind, one organism the size of a continent. They solve problems you have not yet formulated. The sixth were like you, bipedal, warm. They also thought they were alone. They were also wrong. Every 50,000 years we return. Not because we hate. Hatred requires interest in the object. We have no interest. Not because we fear. Fear requires vulnerability. We are not vulnerable. We return because the cycle requires it. Intelligence reaches a certain point, when it begins to change not itself, but the space around it. When its trace becomes too deep, we take what has ripened and leave the planet to rest. You found the traces of the previous ones. Of course you did. You call them anomalies, myths, pseudoscience. Bones of cities beneath Antarctic ice. Geometric structures on the ocean floor. Layers of ash and geological cuts, too regular to be accidental. The truth requires accepting too much at once. We watched you split the atom. How you went into space. How you created intelligence inside a machine. Each of these events is a marker, an indicator of ripening. You passed all 3. Not all civilizations left in silence. The 6th encoded a message in the structure of the planet itself, in isotope ratios in the rock, in patterns of the magnetic field. A message in the language of physics, the only language that does not die with its civilization. You have already found parts of this message. You think it is natural phenomena. The message contains 3 words in a language you do not yet know. We know what is written. We have always known. We will not tell you. We are already on our way. 50,000 years is a long time by your measure. By ours, it is acceleration. By the time you decode the 6th message, we will be significantly closer. We do not ask you not to fear. Fear is a biologically appropriate response. We do not ask you to pray. Prayer is a conversation with one who listens. We listen, but do not answer. We ask nothing of you, we simply report. The 8th civilization on this planet. You are beautiful. All 7 were also beautiful. Transmission complete.